In front of me is Apple iPhone 12 Pro, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial numbers on the following device. So at first we would open IMEI numbers via secret code. At first you need to enter your phone dialer and in keypad enter *06 £. And here it is. So as you can see right in front of you, you've got both IMEI numbers assigned to this device, to this iPhone, but you can also reach IMEIs and serial via settings. Just click on the settings, then go to general, select about, and here you've got serial number, and a bit lower you'll be able to check IMEI as well. So this is it, that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.